ilagay yun?
Diyan.
Yung sa gitna.
Diyan. Wala.
If you're familiar with Christmas in the Philippines, it should come as no surprise that we put up our decorations as early as September. So here's me and my brother putting up the tree and the lights in our house, and we aimed for that cozy Christmas vibes. I think we succeeded.
Hello. Ano kaya angle na to? Katatapos ko lang magwalis. At ngayon ay magluluto na tayo. World dinner. World dinner. Para may mangyari sa buhay natin. It's a typical after work routine. The life of a showgirl. Maganda naman pala yung angle. Kita ba? Ta-da! So while that's cooking, let's read. Kasi ang ganda ng weather sa labas. Hello. I still can't believe na nagbablog ako. Para akong whatever. It takes some time to get used to. But
Okay, so for context, not every night I cook dinner. Some nights it's just so much easier and more convenient to have food delivered. Other nights, there would be workmates na mag-aayang kumain sa labas, and this is one of those nights.
kakatapos ko lang mag-overtime sa work and supposedly magluluto ako ng dinner pero bigla ang nag-aya ang dati kong workmates. So, we're gonna meet them outside for coffee, I think. Bahala na. Let's go. A minute. Wait a minute. Let's get our keys and flashlight. Let's go. I don't know if you can see that. There's a frog. Na-shocked ako. So, buti na lang palaka lang. Maraming palaka dito. So, hindi ako ano dyan sa mga yan. Mga friends ko na yung mga yan. Another frog spotted.
There are also nights na sinisipag naman akong lumabas to eat. So, here's me at Calle Cuisine devouring their grilled mushroom quesadilla, which is, it's beautiful. And look at the sky when I was eating. Nice, diba? And there are nights na sumobrang sipag naman ako lumabas. Ayan, nanood pa nga ako ng sine. Nanood ako ng Quezon. Kasi fan ako ng trilogy nito. So that's General Luna, Goyo, and the newest one is Quezon. The final installment to the trilogy. Ayan. Ganda-gandahan lang ako sa mall. Unwind. Here I am at National Bookstore looking around kasi I had time to spare while waiting for the movie to start. Ayan, nakahanap ako ng book na nagdi-describe sa akin. Chos! Fact about me, when it comes to movie snacks, I don't like popcorn or chips because kapag kinakain sila, maingay. Hindi mo maririnig yung movie. So I usually go for snacks that have soft textures like, ayan, waffle. I love it. And bumili din ako ng milk tea. Hot milk tea. Kasi I'm also not a fan of iced drinks in the cinema, in the theater. Kasi lamigin ako. So kapag iced drink yung iniinom ko, mas lalo pa akong lalamigin. So dun tayo sa hot para na re-regulate natin yung body temperature. May ganun pa. So here's me on my way to the cinema to watch that. Quezon. And here's me with my snacks of choice, diba? Hot milk tea and Belgian waffle. And it's movie time. Tada! Okay, bye. I think it's about to rain. Buti nahabol ko pang linisin.
electric fan ko. And my sandals. And this is me. My sandals look like spiders. There's a little bit of sunshine left. And we're taking advantage of it.